Dear students, today we are going to revise page number 44 and 45. What it is written? Musical instrument. What are musical instrument? A musical instrument is used to make music. There are different types of musical instrument. We are going to understand different types of musical instrument. First one is string instrument. Strings are used to make music. In this instrument, strings are used to make music. Example are violin, guitar, sitar. Okay. Wind instrument. What are they? Wind is blown into the instrument to make music. Okay. They are known as bagpipe, flute, mouth organ. Okay. Next, percussion instrument. What are they? The surface is beaten with sticks or the hand to produce music. Okay, like drums, tabla, and dholak. And here, next one is keyboard instrument. They are played using keyboards. They are like piano, electronic keyboard, harmonium. Okay. Then here it is one information is given. Jal tarangam is an Indian percussion instrument. A different quantity of water is filled in each bowl. A stick is used to strike the bowls. This produce music. Okay. So this is all about this musical instrument chapter. Now see what I have given to you. See here. When I have given you what is a musical instrument. A musical instrument is an instrument which is used to make music. Okay, example I have given. Then write whether the following instrument is a string instrument, wind instrument, percussion instrument, or keyboard instrument. Means instruments names are given here: guitar, mouth organ, and you have to identify what it is. Guitar is a string instrument, mouth organ is a wind instrument, drum is a percussion instrument, harmonium is a keyboard instrument. Okay, like this. Then come to this page. Write the name of three string instrument. You have to write the name of three wind instrument. These are we have already done in the book. Write the name of three percussion instrument. Then write the name of three keyboard instrument. We have just now done in the book. Okay. Next, name the Indian percussion instrument that produce music by striking the bowls filled with different quantity of water. That is Jal Tarangam. Is an Indian percussion instrument that produce music by striking the bowls filled with different quantity of water. Now see next. True false. Violin is a percussion instrument. No, it is a what instrument? It is not a percussion instrument. Okay, it is a string instrument. Drums are wind instrument. False. Flute is a wind instrument. True. Harmonium is a keyboard instrument. True. Now see definitions. What are string instrument? String instrument are the instrument in which strings are used to make music. Wind instrument are the instrument in which wind blown into the instrument to make music. Percussion instrument are the instrument in which the surface is beaten with sticks or hand to produce music. And what are keyboard instrument? Are those instruments which are played using keyboard. Okay, these are the definition you have to read. Then given the matching. Mouth organ, guitar, harmonium. Here keyboard instrument, percussion, wind and string. Mouth organ is a wind instrument. Guitar is a string instrument. Harmonium is a keyboard instrument and dholak is a percussion instrument. Then here rearrange the jumble word and make a meaningful words. I have given you like first one is violin, then sitar, then flute, then dholak, then piano, then tabla, then harmonium, then rocket, then sledge, then caravan. Up to this, I have make you revise. Now I have given you the worksheet. You have to solve by yourself. This is the worksheet. Okay, question answer given, then true false given, then you have to write whether it is a string instrument, wind instrument, percussion, keyboard, then rearrange the jumble word, then fill up given, then matching given. So you solve this worksheet. Okay, then I will provide you the answer. Understand? Do it.